Welcome to Kids Smart Universe. Today we're going to explore the exciting world of the letter N. Are you ready? Let's get started. N is for nest. Look at this cozy nest where birds lay their eggs. A nest is like a bird's home, keeping the eggs safe and warm. N is for nightingale. N is for nuts. Nuts are delicious and healthy snacks. N is for narwhal. This amazing creature is known as the unicorn of the sea because of its long spiral tusk. N is for newspapers. A newspaper is full of news and stories from all over the world. N is for necklace. N is for nuggets. N is for Nutella. N is for ninja. Ninjas are super sneaky and fast. They move quietly and are great at martial arts. N is for night. When the sun goes down, the stars and the moon come out to light up the sky. N is for notebook. A notebook is a place where you can write your thoughts, draw pictures, or take notes. N is for nail. N is for nose. N is for nature. N is for number. N is for noise. N is for near sharp. Wow, we learned so many words that start with the letter N today. What was your favorite? Remember, the letter N is everywhere, so keep an eye out for it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.